Hi there! Did you know that 78% of dine-in customers prefer QR code menu ordering over a hard copy menu? Additionally, 75% of restaurant owners have integrated a QR code food menu for on-premise dining, leading to a 30% reduction in menu printing costs. Adding an on-premise dining system allows food customers to conveniently browse the menu, place orders, and even pay using their smartphones, reducing wait times and allowing employees to focus on hospitality. Here's how it works. The customers scan the code to browse the menu, add their preferred items to the cart, fill in their contact information like first and last name, etc., then, the order gets sent to the order-taking app, where restaurant owners can accept it and provide a delivery time. Restaurant owners can create QR codes for their menu through this system, and in this video, we'll explain how to do it. Let's dive in. Restaurant owners should start by accessing their restaurant admin dashboard. Next, they should navigate to Services and Opening Hours, then On-Premise. Then, they should select Yes, followed by Next. Restaurant owners need to click on the Marketing Tools icon in the left navigation panel, then select the QR Codes and Flyers option. Then they should click Add New, followed by QR Code. Restaurant owners should click on the Next button on the first-time user screen. The on-premise feature allows food customers to order from various places in a restaurant. The in-house option allows customers to order for dine-in, for example, waiter service, room service in the case of hotels or any establishments that offer lodging, seat or suite delivery for stadiums, sunbeds for beach bars, or any other alternate use cases restaurant owners can think of. The in-house pickup option allows food customers to place an order, then pick it up and consume it at the location. Restaurant owners should select the option that best fits their establishment, then click Next. Now, they should decide whether they want to use one QR code for all tables or seats, or whether they would like each table to have its unique QR code. In this example, we will choose the different QR code for each table option. This allows the waiters to know the exact table to serve the food to. Now, restaurant owners need to enter a prefix for the table/booth. Then, they need to insert the first and last table numbers and click Save and Next. Restaurant owners should click Next again to navigate to the new QR code section that was created and select the More Options icon. From the drop-down, they can edit the QR code, download the QR code's PDF, send QR codes to print, and delete the QR codes and flyers. To download copies of the QR code to place them on tables, restaurant owners should select Download QR Codes PDF. The Send QR Code to Print function lets restaurant owners email their local print house instructions on how the QR code should be printed. The QR codes will also be included in the email as a PDF attachment. The Add Flyer option allows restaurant owners the ability to create a visually appealing flyer that they can print and place on their tables. The flyer contains the table number, QR code, and instructions for ordering with the QR code. Restaurant owners should select the color they want for the flyer. And click Next. Restaurant owners should click on the 3 dots in the QR code section. There are now more options available to edit the flyer: download the flyer, send flyer to print, and delete the flyer. Restaurant owners should click on Delete Flyer Only to delete only the flyer, or on Delete QR Code and Flyer to remove both the QR code and flyer. Restaurant owners should select Download Flyers to download copies of the flyer to place them on tables. Let's look at how restaurant owners can use this on-premise dining system for room service in hotels. Restaurant owners should click on Add New, followed by QR code. Then, they should select the room service option and click Next. Next, they should choose the different QR code for each room option. Then, restaurant owners need to insert a prefix for the codes. In this example, we're going to simulate a hotel that has multiple buildings with the same room numbers in all the buildings. Restaurant owners should insert the first and last room number for the first building and click Save. They can add multiple sets of values if needed. Now, restaurant owners should click the Add Values link to enter the room numbers for the second building. Next, they should give the building a prefix and enter the first and last room number. Once they have entered the prefixes and room numbers for all the buildings, they should click Next. Then Next again to generate the QR codes. Restaurant owners should select Download QR Codes PDF to download copies of the QR codes and place them in the respective rooms. The on-premise dining feature can be used for almost every situation that requires customers to order food and have them delivered to their locations. Restaurant owners can use other option in the same steps to add venues that aren't listed or have names specific to their business. That's all for now.